Ever struggled with soggy pizza crust or pans that warp after just a few uses? The Cuisinart chef's classic 14-inch pizza pan with a perforated surface promises to change that. Designed to deliver a crispy crust every time, this pan is built for serious home cooks who want reliable, consistent baking results without the hassle. What sets this pan apart is its heavy-gauge aluminized steel construction. That means even heat distribution across the surface, so your pizza cooks uniformly, no hot spots or undercooked dough. The perforated surface lets moisture escape during baking, which is key to achieving that golden, crunchy crust you crave. Plus, the thick rolled edges prevent warping, so the pan stays true to shape even after repeated use. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick interior and exterior coating. Food slides right off, saving you time and effort after dinner. And yes, it's dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pans. This pan isn't just about pizza, it's versatile enough for roasting veggies or baking flatbreads too. I recently switched to this Cuisinart pan after dealing with older pans that tarnished and left a metallic taste in my baked goods. This one feels sturdier, especially the bottom, which is thicker and more solid. After my first bake, the cake released effortlessly, no scraping or sticking. There was a tiny leak at the springform joint, so I recommend placing it on a cookie sheet in the oven to catch any drips. The pan's dark gray finish means you might want to lower your oven temperature by about 25 degrees to avoid overbrowning, but that's an easy tweak once you get used to it. If you're looking for a durable, well-made pan that delivers crisp crusts and easy cleanup, the Cuisinart chef's classic 14-inch perforated pizza pan is worth a look. It offers excellent value, stands up to regular use, and helps you bake with confidence. Try it when you're ready to elevate your homemade pizzas and baked dishes to the next level.